Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have arrived at one of the most anticipated spots of our Spain trip, Malaga. In this video, I'm taking you on a slow and scenic walk through the city. We will explore the streets, share some local tips, and just soak in the vibe of everyday life. No rush, no big checklist, just an honest on-foot experience of what it's like to be in the heart of Malaga. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's take a walk through this beautiful coastal city together. After exploring Seville, it's time to explore Malaga. So we boarded a comfortable train, one of the most anticipated destinations on our Spain journey. You can check out the detailed video of our Seville to Malaga train journey linked somewhere here. Upon arriving at Malaga Zambrano station, we smoothly navigated to the exit. Transportation in Spain has been impressively convenient, and with taxis readily available outside major stations at Malaga, Maria, Zambrano, there's a designated spot where taxis queued up. No pre-booking required, simply hop in, mention your destination, and easily track your fare via rear mirror display or taximeter. You can also book your ride through the board app. Both options offer similar pricing, though during heavy traffic, meter taxis can cost you a little more, while bold fares usually stay fixed as displayed. Stepping outside, the city greets you warmly, clean surroundings bathed in bright sunlight, offering a lively and vibrant atmosphere. Now we have reached our centrally located apartment. This is the apartment I will be staying for 4 days, strategically chosen to avoid long commuting times from the outskirts. Though staying centrally might slightly raise your budget, it considerably enhances the travel experience. Our apartment is conveniently near Malaga Centro Alameda commuter station, with the airport just 11 kilometers away and Malaga's famous Calle Larios just a 10-step walking distance. Let me give you a quick tour of a cozy apartment, ideally situated just beside Malaga's bustling city center. We chose to stay right in the heart of city to save time on travel and soak in the local atmosphere. The apartment was cozy and well maintained, offering modern comforts with traditional charm. As you enter, a bright hallway leads you to the spacious living area filled with natural light. Classic wooden doors open to the Juliet balconies that overlook a peaceful yet central street. The lounge features a sleek television setup, vibrant chairs, and a comfy white couch for relaxing evenings. The open kitchen was compact yet fully equipped with all essentials: microwave, fridge, electric cooktop, and coffee machine. It's perfect for preparing simple meals or late night snacks. The bedroom had a warm and inviting design with soft lighting, cozy bedding, and ample storage with an electric heater. A well-organized open-shelf wardrobe stored neatly folded towels and extra linens. The bed was especially comfortable after long days of exploration. The bathroom was spotless and practical, offering a clean sink area with large mirror, toiletries, and extra toilet rolls already stocked up for us. It gave off a calm, minimal vibe with soft lighting, great for relaxing night routine. From our windows, enjoyed views of classic pastel-colored Malaga buildings, and just a few steps away were the bakeries, small shops, and local groceries, storage facilities, bringing a sense of everyday life and convenience right to our doorstep. This street has all the necessary stores for your everyday essentials. It truly felt like living like local in the vibrant center of Malaga. We had planned visits to Ronda and Sentinel de las Bodegas during our 4-day stay in Malaga, but due to a date mix-up, we instead explored Colomares Castle and Caminito del Rey. Specific details about these fantastic attractions are available in separate videos. Links can be found in the description or displayed on screen. Briefly, Caminito del Rey offers a thrilling walkway perched along steep cliffs, providing breathtaking views of surrounding landscapes and a memorable hiking experience. Colomares Castle, located in Benalmádena, is a unique architectural tribute dedicated to Christopher Columbus, combining various historical architectural styles into a stunning monument. We then continued to Malaga's scenic port area known as Muelle. This palm-lined promenade is famous for its modern design and luxury yachts and vibrant open-air shopping stalls. The wide parabola, known as El Palmeral de las Sorpresas, offers a shade and scenic path along the waterfront where cruise ships like the Azamara coast dock. Here you will also find the striking center Pompidou Malaga, a multicolored glass cube that serves as the first branch of the Parisian Museum outside France. It's a stunning contrast of modern art against the coastal city's historic backdrop. As we wandered back into the city, we strolled through the peaceful residential streets lined with pastel-colored buildings and charming storefronts, wrapping up the day with a sense of immersion. The next morning, our journey began along the Calle Larios, Malaga's iconic pedestrian shopping street. This bustling avenue is not just known for its shopping, it's a local favorite for parades and cultural celebrations like the Ferradia Malaga. Notice the charming 19th century architecture and the polished marble paving that reflect the sunlight beautifully. Passing Plaza de la Constitution, it's a historical square that has been a social hub since 15th century. You will find locals engaged in friendly chess matches and visitors soaking up the lively atmosphere. It's surrounded by quaint cafes, perfect for people watching and enjoying traditional Spanish churros. Soon we arrived at Grand Malaga Cathedral, a stunning piece of Renaissance architecture. Its impressive facade, known as affectionately as La Manquita, due to its unfinished second tower, stood proudly against the vibrant backdrop of Plaza del Obispo, a lively spot filled with cafes and visitors. The square is also home to the Bishop's Palace, a stunning example of 18th century Baroque architecture. Exploring deeper into the narrow alleyways nearby, the colorful walls and the hidden restaurants like Taberna La Maggiona enhance the authentic atmosphere of Malaga, where history generally blends with the everyday life. Every turn offered glimpse of local life, busy pedestrian streets lined with quaint shops, bustling cafes and friendly faces, all of which truly define Malaga's unique charm. When settled in, Malaga's street came alive with vibrant energy. Bars and restaurants like Neil MacGregor, often called the smallest Irish pub in the world, is a quirky must-visit. Our evening ended perfectly at the Tejeringo's Coffee, where a delightful selection of waffles, crepes, and creamy cappuccinos awaited. This cafe is ideal for reflecting on adventure and is also loved for its homemade desserts. Estonia. We are flying out from Malaga airport with Vueling Airlines with a layover in Barcelona. The taxi fare to the airport was around 24 euros, and even with Bolt, the prices were pretty similar. We have reached the airport now, and it's definitely busy. If I had to describe Malaga airport in one word, it's beautiful. There are so many cute little stores here, honestly tempting me to buy way more than I should. It just has that cozy, travel happy vibe. Overall, really charming airport. We have ordered our Vueling flight to Barcelona, and looking out of the window, the airport landscape is just stunning. So sit back and enjoy the view with me. And that wraps up our experience on the beautiful streets of Malaga. I hope you enjoyed exploring the city with me, its charm, culture, and those little everyday moments. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, hit that subscribe button for more travel stories and relaxed city walks just like this. Let me know in the comments if you have been to Malaga or if it's on your list. I'd love to hear your thoughts or travel tips. And of course, make sure to check out the other videos linked below from this Spain trip, including our visit to Caminito del Rey and Colomares Castle. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one.